Hello. So here we have 4 by 8 gigabytes of ECC memory, DDR2, and I'm going to be showing you how to install it in a 2008 Mac Pro. So I got this off eBay for around $60. It's 32 gigabytes of memory. Here we go. There are lots of great deals on DDR2 memory on eBay. It's not the fastest RAM, but it gets the job done. Alright, so here we have the 2008 Mac Pro. First, we need to open the front panel by opening this latch, pulling up, and then the front cover just comes right off. It should look something like this on the inside. And the first thing I'm going to do is clean it because it's dirty from sitting there for 10 years. It also might be a good idea to turn it on its side if you want Bet to see it better. In order to take out the memory modules, you pull until you hear it unclick. They will look something like this. Here we have two 1 gigabyte sticks in dual channel. I'm going to leave them there because I have 4 sticks of 8 gigabyte memory. I'm going to clean it. Then I'm going to pop the new RAM sticks in. I'm going to make sure that the notch lines up. And I'm going to unclip the sides of the RAM that I'm putting in. Once you have it loosely in, put it down on a static-proof surface and press down until both sides click in. Do the same thing with the next stick of memory. And that's our first RAM module. We can insert it back in now if we want. It's going to slide right back into its little slot. It might take a little bit of force to get it to click in again. Okay, that took a lot of force. Now we're going to do the same thing with the second RAM module. Ooh, that one's dusty. Alright, that's good enough. Now we're going to take our final 2 sticks of RAM and do the same thing. Open the RAM slots, line up the notches, insert the RAM, and then click it in. Wait till you hear a click on both sides, and the latches will automatically snap shut. Do the same thing with the other RAM module. Insert it back in to your computer. And push until you get a click. Now, I'm gonna make sure I don't see any more dust in here. There's not too much more. I can put some more in the more compressed air just to be safe. Oh my. Okay, so it's a good idea to blow compressed air on the fan because the fan has been accumulating dust for years. It's easy enough to get it out. You can also remove the drive bays by clicking the little latch and removing the drive bay for cleaning. This one actually looks pretty good, but some of the other ones with hard drives, it might be a bit dirty. Insert it back in by sliding until it goes flush with the other drive bays. Now you're ready to put your front cover back on. I like to make sure there isn't any residual dust on the front. Then I line up the top holes with the notches. Let it rest on the bottom. Wait till it goes up and the seam is flush. Then I relatch the side here. And just like that, it's locked in place. Okay, so the Mac just booted up. We're gonna go to the top left Apple symbol. Click About This Mac. We're gonna go to Memory. And as you can see here, on the top stick, we have our two 2 GB sticks that I already showed you, and we have our two 8 GB sticks that I just installed. On the bottom one, same thing, we have our two 2 GB sticks and our two 8 GB sticks, bringing us to a total of 40 GB of RAM installed. As you can see here, it says DDR2 memory. Keep in mind that this cannot just be consumer desktop memory, this has to be ECC FBDIMM memory. This is double buffered, and it ensures a more secure RAM connection. Thanks for watching. Like if you liked the video, and subscribe as well.